Before you scroll, answer this honestly. When was the last time your brain felt sharp without forcing it? Not caffeinated, not stressed, just clear. Because if your focus feels harder than it used to, this video might explain why. And more importantly, what to do about it. Here's what no one warns you about. Mental fog doesn't arrive all at once. It sneaks in. You start needing more effort to do simple things. You lose your train of thought mid-sentence. You feel busy all day, but mentally empty by night. And the worst part? You quietly accept it. You tell yourself, this must be normal now. But deep down, you know it's not. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. What you tolerate today becomes your baseline tomorrow. And when mental fatigue becomes your new normal, you stop trusting your brain. That's when productivity drops, confidence drops, and life starts feeling heavier than it should. This isn't about motivation. It's about your brain being stuck in the wrong state. Modern life hijacks your brainwaves. Notifications, screens, stress without recovery. Your brain stays locked in survival mode, not focus mode. When your left and right brain fall out of sync, you don't feel broken, you feel off. And no amount of willpower fixes that. But here's what surprised me. Neuroscientists found that the brain doesn't need effort to reset. It needs the right signal. And sound, when used correctly, can guide the brain back into balance, sometimes in seconds. That's where this comes in. It's called Neuro Energizer, a short audio you listen to with headphones. Each ear hears a slightly different tone, and your brain naturally synchronizes itself. No forcing focus, no rituals, just alignment. One user described it perfectly. They said, "Nothing dramatic happened. I just realized I'd been working for 40 minutes without fighting my mind." That's the shift. Not hype, not stimulation, just your brain working normally again. Here's the decision moment. You can keep pushing through mental fog, hoping it improves, or you can test something that works with your brain instead of against it. Because clarity doesn't come from trying harder, it comes from tuning correctly. If you want to try Neuro Energizer, use the official link in the description. That link takes you to the real page, not copies, not re-uploads. Click the link, read how it works, decide for yourself. Your brain isn't failing you, it's just overwhelmed. Give it the right signal and see what changes. Click the link in the description now.